Duck typing, a quirky concept in programming explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating term from the world of programming, duck typing. Don't worry, it's not about real ducks, but it's just as interesting. Whether you're an English learner, a budding programmer, or just curious about quirky English phrases, this video is for you. Let's decode what duck typing really means. Duck typing is a term used in programming, specifically in languages like Python. It's based on the saying, if it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, then it probably is a duck. In programming, this means that an object's suitability is determined by the presence of certain methods and properties, rather than the actual type of the object. So, it's more about what the object can do, rather than what it is. Let's simplify this with an example. Imagine you have a function that requires an object to quack. In duck typing, it doesn't matter if the object is actually a duck, as long as it can quack. This concept allows for more flexibility and ease in programming, making it easier to use different types of objects as long as they have the required functionality. Duck typing is important in programming because it promotes a more flexible and intuitive coding style. It allows programmers to focus on what an object does, rather than what it is. This leads to code that is often easier to understand and maintain. It's a key part of dynamic typing in programming languages, like Python, where types are checked at runtime. While duck typing has its advantages, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Since type checking is done at runtime, it can lead to runtime errors if not carefully implemented. Programmers need to ensure that objects have the required attributes and methods to avoid unexpected issues. I hope this video helped demystify the concept of duck typing for you. It's a fun term with serious implications in programming, emphasizing the abilities of an object over its specific type. Whether you're learning English or coding, remember, sometimes things are not just what they appear to be, but what they can do. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.